Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of the endless content creation hamster wheel? You know the drill. You spend hours brainstorming, writing, and designing social media posts, only to see them get a handful of likes before disappearing into the digital void. What if I told you that you could generate a full week's worth of engaging, high-performing social media content in the time it takes to brew your morning coffee, like literally 5 minutes? It sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're making that dream a reality. I'm about to pull back the curtain on a powerful AI workflow that I call the Repurpose hack. This isn't just about using another shiny AI tool. This is a complete system that combines a clever strategy with a custom AI agent to transform one piece of content into a full-blown social media campaign. Forget writer's block. Forget spending your entire weekend scheduling posts. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to automate your content creation, save dozens of hours, and finally get ahead of your social media schedule. So grab a notepad, because you're not going to want to miss a single step of this. Let's dive in. All right, so what is this repurpose hack I keep mentioning? At its core, it's about working smarter, not harder. The biggest mistake I see creators and businesses make is trying to create unique, from-scratch content for every single platform, every single day. It's exhausting and completely unsustainable. The secret of top-tier creators is that they don't create more content. They get more out of the content they already have. The repurpose hack is built on this very principle. We're going to take one pillar piece of content. This could be a YouTube video like this one, a blog post, a podcast episode, even a detailed client case study. And we're going to use an AI agent to intelligently slice dice and reformat it into a variety of posts tailored for different platforms. Think about it. From one single blog post, you can get multiple insightful tweets, a thought-provoking LinkedIn post, an engaging Instagram carousel, a short script for a reel or a TikTok, and even a couple of Facebook updates. You do the deep work once, on the pillar content, and then let the AI handle the distribution. This is where the magic really happens. We're not just copy-pasting chunks of text. That's lazy and ineffective. We're going to build a custom GPT agent that understands the nuances of each platform. It knows that a tweet needs to be punchy and under 280 characters, a LinkedIn post should be professional and insightful, and an Instagram caption needs to be visually driven and use relevant hashtags. This agent will act as your dedicated social media manager, one that works at lightning speed and never runs out of ideas. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to set this up. First things first, you need access to a tool that allows you to build custom AI agents. The most accessible one right now is ChatGPT+, which gives you the ability to create your own custom GPTs. There are other platforms out there, but we'll use this as our example because it's so popular. Don't worry, the principles I'm about to show you can be adapted to other AI agent builders as well. Once you're in the Create a GPT interface, you're going to be greeted by two windows. The Create panel, where you'll chat with the builder to define your agent, and the Preview panel, where you can test it out. Our goal is to give our agent a very specific role, a set of instructions, and the knowledge it needs to do its job perfectly. We're going to start by defining its persona. You'll literally tell the builder something like this. You are Social Catalyst AI, an expert social media strategist and copywriter. Your specialty is repurposing long-form content into a variety of engaging, platform-specific social media posts. You understand the unique tone, format, and best practices for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. By giving it a name and a clear job title, we're setting the stage for its behavior. You're not just talking to a generic language model anymore, you're instructing a specialist. Next, and this is the most critical part, we need to define the repurpose hack process in its instructions. This is where we lay out the step-by-step workflow we want it to follow every single time. So, in the Configure tab, under Instructions, you'll write out the core logic. It will look something like this. When a user provides a piece of content, like a blog post or video transcript, Your task is to generate a 1-week social media content plan. Here is your process. First, thoroughly analyze the entire text to understand its core message, key arguments, surprising statistics, and actionable tips. 2. Identify at least 5 to 7 distinct, powerful ideas from the content. These will be the foundation for your posts. 3. For each idea, you will create a set of social media posts tailored for different platforms. 4. Generate 3 to 4 tweets. They should be concise, use strong hooks, and include relevant hashtags. One should be a thread starter. 5. Generate 1 to 2 LinkedIn posts. These should be more professional, start with a compelling hook, use storytelling, and encourage discussion. 6. Generate 1 to 2 Instagram posts. For each, provide a caption and a suggestion for the visual, e.g., a carousel with text slides, a quote graphic, or a real concept. Include a mix of niche and broad hashtags. 7. Generate a script for a 30-second TikTok or Instagram reel that summarizes one key takeaway in an entertaining or educational way. Do you see how specific that is? We're not just saying, make me some posts. We're giving it a repeatable, structured formula for success. This detailed instruction set is what separates a generic AI tool from a true, high-performing AI agent. You are essentially programming its brain to follow your exact content strategy. Now for the final piece of the setup puzzle, providing it with context. If you have a specific brand voice, you should tell it. You can add instructions like, my brand voice is witty, educational, and slightly informal. Avoid corporate jargon. Always end with a question to boost engagement. You can even upload a style guide or examples of past posts you've written that performed well. The knowledge section in the GPT Builder is perfect for this. The more context you give it, the more it will sound like you and the less editing you'll have to do later. And that's it. You've just built your very own content repurposing machine. Save your GPT, give it a cool icon, and let's put it to the test. All right, the moment of truth. Our AI agent, Social Catalyst AI, is built and ready to go. Now let's feed it some content and see the magic happen in real time. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the transcript from one of my recent YouTube videos. It's about 2,000 words long, a perfect example of a pillar piece of content. I'm just going to copy the entire text. Now, I'll open up our custom GPT and paste the whole transcript into the chat box. My prompt will be super simple. Please execute the repurpose hack on the following video transcript. I'm not giving it any other instructions because we've already baked everything it needs to know right into its core programming. I hit enter and let's watch. As you can see, it's starting to work. It's processing the information, and now it's beginning to generate the output, following the exact structure we gave it. Look at this. It's starting with the Twitter posts. We have a punchy single-line tweet with a hook. We have another one that pulls out a surprising statistic from my video. And here's the thread starter, just as we asked, breaking down a key concept into a multi-tweet thread. It's even suggesting relevant hashtags. This is amazing. Now it's moving on to LinkedIn. Notice the difference in tone. The sentences are longer, more reflective. It's starting the post with a relatable story from the transcript and then transitioning into the main lesson. It's formatted with plenty of white space to make it easy to read, and it ends with a thought-provoking question to drive comments. This is far better than just a copy-pasted paragraph. Next up, Instagram. This is where it gets really cool. It's not just writing captions, it's giving me a full creative brief. For the first post, it suggests a carousel. It says, Slide 1, title graphic. Slide 2, key problem. Slide 3, solution 1, and so on. It's literally designing the post for me. Then, it provides the caption to go along with it, complete with a call to action and a well-researched set of hashtags. For another post, it suggests a simple quote graphic using a powerful line from my video. And finally, look at this. It's writing a script for a TikTok or Reel. It's structured perfectly for short-form video, a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, quick cuts, on-screen text suggestions, and a clear call to action at the end. I could literally take this script, film it in a few minutes, and have a viral potential video ready to go. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, we have a week's worth or more of high-quality, strategically crafted social media content, all derived from a single source. We have multiple tweets, professional LinkedIn articles, visually planned Instagram carousels, and a ready-to-film short video script. The amount of time and mental energy this saves is absolutely staggering. This isn't about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it. The creativity went into the pillar content. This is just smart distribution. Now let's talk about taking this to the next level. What we just did is incredible, but you can refine this process even further. After the AI generates the content, your job is to be the editor-in-chief. Take 15-20 minutes to review everything. Does it perfectly capture your voice? Can you punch up a headline here or there? Can you add a personal anecdote to the LinkedIn post? This human touch is what will elevate the content from great to exceptional. The AI does 90% of the heavy lifting, and you provide that final 10% of polish and personality. You can also create different versions of your agent for different clients or projects. Imagine having a unique social catalyst AI for each brand you manage, each one preloaded with that brand's specific voice, style guide, and target audience information. You could onboard a new client and have a month's worth of content ready in under an hour. It completely changes the economics of social media management. Furthermore, don't be afraid to iterate on your agent's instructions. If you find that its tweets are a bit too long, go back into the configuration and tell it, ensure all tweets are under 250 characters to leave room for a link. If you want it to use more emojis, tell it that. The agent is a living tool that you can continuously train and improve over time. The repurpose hack is more than just a trick. It's a fundamental shift in how we should approach content creation in the age of AI. It's about leveraging technology to free up our most valuable resource, our time. Time that can be better spent engaging with our audience, developing new creative ideas for pillar content, or frankly, just enjoying our lives outside of work. The era of the content creation hamster wheel is over, but only if you choose to step off it. So I challenge you to try this. Take one of your best performing blog posts or video transcripts this week and build your own social catalyst AI. Follow the steps we walked through today. I promise you, once you experience the freedom of generating a week of content in 5 minutes, you will never go back to the old way of doing things. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this breakdown was as mind-blowing for you as it was for me when I first discovered this workflow. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss out on more guides designed to save you time and grow your presence. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to use this repurpose hack in your own workflow. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep creating and work smarter, not harder.